Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and seeing that you made money overnight. No boss, no clocking in, no working extra hours. Sounds like a dream, right? But this is exactly how passive income works, and beginners are doing it every single day. Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you simple, beginner-friendly ways to make money while you sleep, even if you have zero experience. And the best part? You don't need a lot of money to start. Just pick one method, stay consistent, and you can build income streams that work for you 24/7. First, let's be clear, this is not get rich quick. You will need to put in some effort up front, but once the system is built, it can keep paying you again and again. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it once, and it keeps growing over time. That's the power of passive income. Method 1. Digital products. One of the easiest ways beginners are making money while they sleep is by selling digital products. These are things like planners, templates, resume designs, budget trackers, ebooks. You create it once and sell it unlimited times. For example, someone creates a simple daily planner using a free tool like Canva. They upload it to Etsy or Gumroad. Now imagine selling it for $10. If just 10 people buy it per day, that's $100 daily without creating it again. Pro tip: focus on solving a problem. People don't buy products, they buy solutions. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. Next is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission. You don't need to create anything. Just sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank. Share a sale. Then share your special link. For example, if someone buys a product through your link, you get paid. You can promote using YouTube videos, blogs, TikTok, Instagram. The best part? Once your content is live, it can keep generating sales for months, or even years. Method 3. Faceless content. This is one of the fastest growing methods right now. You create content without showing your face. Use AI tools to generate scripts, create voiceovers, edit videos, start a YouTube channel in niches like finance, motivation, tech, facts. Once your videos start getting views, you can earn through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships. And here's the magic. Your video can go viral months later and still make money while you sleep. Before you start, avoid these mistakes. Trying everything at once, focus on one method first. Expecting instant results. This takes time and consistency. Giving up too early. Most people quit before they see results. Remember, consistency beats talent. Here's what you should do today. Step 1. Choose one method. Step 2. Spend 1 to 2 hours learning it. Step 3. Take action immediately. Start small. Even $1 online is proof that it works. Making money while you sleep is real, but only if you start. So take action today. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll show you more ways to earn online.